Straight Shift with the Car Chick, the podcast that's all about cars, buying, selling, fixing, and driving, and sometimes running fast if you're the Car Chick. Now, here she is.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Straight Shift. This time of year, a lot of people are looking forward to getting that tax refund, if they're lucky enough to be getting one. But frequently, people will use that money to buy an inexpensive used car, or maybe to put a down payment down on a car. This is a good time of year to start looking at buying cars for your teenagers going into summer so that they can run around and do what they want and you don't have to cart them around. So this is a common time that I get reached out to by my clients to say, hey, I got to get my kid a car and I want to get something older. I don't mind something older, but how old is too old? I thought that was a great question. Although it did remind me of the time that I went to the trampoline park for my nephew's 16th birthday party. And it was a lot of fun, but I kind of paid the price for it. I used to be a figure skater and an athlete, and my brain still remembers how to do